In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check your anti-gravity quota and limits. Understanding where your usage stands helps you plan your sessions, avoid unexpected interruptions, and make the most of each model you rely on. Start by opening the anti-gravity application. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That gear leads to anti-gravity settings. Go ahead and select it to open the settings panel. From there, choose the option labeled Models. This is the page that brings everything you need into clear view. On the Models page, you will see a list of the models available to you. Next to each model is a percentage-based progress bar that represents how much of your allotted usage you've consumed for that specific model. For example, if the bar reads 40%, that means you've used 40% and you still have 60% left within the current allowance. These bars update as you work, so they're a reliable snapshot of your current standing at any moment. You'll also notice a 7-day refresh timer for each model. This timer counts down to when that model's usage will refresh, so you can anticipate when your allowance will become available again. Alongside the timer is a reset window, which tells you the exact span during which that refresh will occur. Think of the refresh timer as the clock to your next top-up, and the reset window as the precise timeframe in which the meter will roll back to zero. Every model tracks usage independently. If you switch between models, keep in mind that each one has its own bar, timer, and reset window. That means you might be close to a limit on one model while still having plenty of room on another. It's helpful to glance at each bar before starting longer tasks so you can choose the model that best fits your remaining capacity. A few practical tips as you monitor these indicators: plan heavier jobs soon after a refresh if you can. Space out activity as a bar approaches the higher percentages. And check back periodically during busy stretches to stay ahead of any limits. The more frequently you use anti-gravity, the more valuable this quick check becomes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.